açúcar, tempero e tudo que há de bom. Estes foram os ingredientes escolhidos para criar as garotinhas perfeitas. Mas o professor Otônio acidentalmente acrescentou um ingrediente extra na mistura: o elemento X. E assim nasceram as meninas superpoderosas. Usando seus ultra superpoderes, Florzinha, Lindinha e Docinho têm dedicado suas vidas combatendo o crime e as forças do mal.
Forças do mal nada. A gente quer, ó.
Do with that dessert. Do what do I need that do that do what do that eat that do that do what do that eat that do that do that do I eat do what do that eat that do that do what do that eat that do what do that eat that. What you gonna do with that dessert?
Are you saving that dessert for me? Cause if you want, baby, you know you could work for me. The way you do it causing jealousy, but you don't ever gotta worry about the end.